Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you're having an amazing day. So welcome to another video, and in this video I will tell you how to do Hackintosh on any system or laptop, as my Hackintosh is Dell optiplex 7010. So let's get started. Well, the first thing you need is the Olarila image. You can download from olarila.com. I will link it down below. So that it has each and everything. It has the images for Catalina, for BigSur. So you can download and you can check whatever images available. So currently you can download 11.0.1, the release candidate, and once you download that, in the meantime what you need is OpenCore 0.6.3. Once you download the OpenCore, you will have your OpenCore release package like this. You will find your sample plist, the config.plist here. Okay, and then your OpenCore is in x64, as I already removed the EFI from here. It should be here. So your package will look like this. Once you've done that, okay, once you done downloading the OpenCore, you need to follow this Dortania guide. It has each and everything. You can get your SM BIOS, you can get your plist configured, you have to download proprietary as well to configure the plist. If you are moving from Clover to OpenCore, it has SSDT as well. I use SSDT EC, and then it will take around 1 hour. If you spend 1 hour on this, you are good to go with your OpenCore. Okay, once you download the image from olarila.com, you need to download Balena Azure so that you can burn that image to your USB. Your USB should be minimum 16 GB. And once you're done with the mounting, okay, so let's say this is the EFI which I created, and the sample plist will look like this. Okay, and then once you finish your plist, it will look like this, the right side. As you can see, I have added each and everything, the boot hours, even the CACs, and each and everything is already there, and my plist is good to go. Once I finish, I will put the plist in the OC folder. Here is the plist. I will put the SSDT EC here in the ACPI, the CACs which I need, as I need Apple ALC, Intel MOSI, Lilu CACs, USB inject all, virtual SMC, whatever green. These are the CACs which I required for my Dell optiplex 7010. Once I done that, okay, once it's finished, your EFI is good to go. What you have to do is you have to download Clover configurator, then you have to go to mount EFI and mount your USB, 16 GB USB. As you can see here, this is my MacOs Big Sur beta installer. I already done that. So once you done that, you need to mount your USB, open the partition. It will already have the EFI built in, so you need to remove this EFI and copy your EFI to this folder. As I already done that, so I'm not doing it. Just drag and drop or delete it from the trash as well, and then copy and paste here. Once you done that, you are good to go. You can restart your system and you can install MacOs Big Sur. Although what I am using is MacOs Big Sur 11.0.1, the release candidate. This is my system, and it is already configured. My graphics card, NVIDIA GeForce GT 710 2GB is already working. It's giving me the performance. I have 16 GB of RAM. So this is what I have, and you can have your this macOS running. So that's it. This is what you need. All the CACs are there. You need to download the CACs, whatever is required for your system. You need to check the Dortania guide. Each and everything is mentioned there. So this is very easy. It just need your attention. It just need your your time so that you can able to install it. So in the next segment you will see I'm installing the macOS Big Sur. So this is it. So see you in the next segment. Once your system restarted, you need to select your boot device. You have to select your USB by pressing F12. Once you press F12, then you will go to the OpenCore menu, and once you're there, just reset the NVRAM, and then once it's restart again, select install macOS Big Sur. You will come to the verbose screen. Let it happen. It will take time because the first time you are doing it, so it might take 5 to 10 minutes, and don't panic. This is all the system which is ongoing. Then you will come to this loading screen, and then there will be an installer, a disk utility. Okay, and here you are. So once you're there, just format your hard drive or whatever it is to APFS, as macOS Big Sur doesn't support exFAT, FAT32 or Apple GUID. Just format it in APFS by selecting all devices, and then you are good to go. Once you've done that, just when you are on the main screen, so you have to just press install macOS. This process will take around half an hour or more than half an hour. So you have to be very calm, as well as you have to be very impatient, so that let it complete, because hard drives will take a lot of time, but if it's SSD, it will quickly done it. But as my hard drive is very old, it's like a 6 years old hard drive, 320 GB Toshiba, and it will take a lot of time. So once you've done that, once it's finished, you will be having multiple restarts. So don't panic. There is no need to do panic if your device restarts again and again, because it's a part of the installation. As you can see, like it restarted because it's in a time-lapse mode. It restarted and come to the same screen, and then it restarted, and then you have to select macOS Big Sur. Here you have to select macOS installer. Once you are there, it will resume from the area which stopped. So this will take a lot of time, so you have to be patient as well, and this thing will take a lot of time. In case if you stuck on FS runtime, please do not panic, as it's writing the biggest Big Sur OS files in your hard drive. So this is the screen which is like about to finish. So this screen will take a lot of time, more time than the initial installer. It will take around exact 30 to 35 minutes for the hard drive, but if you have SSD, it will take around 10 minutes, and then you are good to go with that. So this is the error for saying CS runtime, not FS runtime. CS runtime, it will take around 10 minutes or 15 minutes. So please do not panic. It will restart again, and then you will come to it will multiple restart, maybe 2 to 3 times. Then you will come to the final stage. Just do your credentials and you are good to go. Your Big Sur is installed. If you like the video, please thumbs up and subscribe to the channel and share for more reachability. Thank you so much and have a great day.